Hi, this is Abram with Laptop Magazine. We're here at the Maxell booth at IFA Berlin, and you would never know this, well, most people wouldn't, but Maxell has a complete line of Android tablets. In fact, there are 5 Android tablets, 2 of which are currently on the market, and 3 of which are coming this fall. So from largest to smallest. Over here we have the MaxTab H10, which is a 9.7-inch screen running Android Ice Cream Sandwich. Looks really quite nice. It, really light in the hand. It has a home button. That's something you don't always see, don't often see on an Android notebook, especially one with Ice Cream Sandwich where you have a home button built into the OS, but that's very convenient. You see it's got a nice, really glossy bezel over here. And if you just look at the color, this is a 1280 by 800 screen. It looks really quite sharp. We really like the glossy edges, and by the way, this is going to sell for a really budget price for something this size, which will be 199 euros. So really quite inexpensive for a tablet this size and full featured. It has a dual core Cortex A9 Rock chip processor, and it's got 1 gigabyte of RAM and 4 gigabytes of internal memory, and of course it's got micro SD storage. If you look around the sides here, you'll see it's got a micro USB slot, a mini USB slot rather, micro SD, mini HDMI, and power button. Not a ton of ports, but pretty good. So obviously front and back cameras, 2 megapixels each. Over here we have the future 169 euro 8-inch MaxTab H8. This will have a 1024 by 768 resolution, and you can see on 8 inches that looks really quite sharp. And this system also has the same Rock chip 3066 dual core processor on it. And if we look at what we have here, you'll see not much in the gallery at this point, but it's just a standard set of apps. In fact, these Maxell tells us that these will not come with a Play Store. They'll come with an alternative market on them. But this one also really quite light and thin. Lasts up to 6 hours of browsing the web. Also a nice glossy design. Also a home button, and about the same array of ports as its big brother here with the mini USB, mini HDMI ports. Over here we have the MaxTab C8, which is currently on the market for $149. And this is really quite an interesting tablet because it is running at 800 by 600 resolution, which really looks good. And then it has this sort of brushed plastic here that looks like brushed aluminum, and gives it kind of a really premium look about it. This has a slower Rock chip 2918 processor running at 1.2 gigahertz, but the same Ice Cream Sandwich software that you've seen on the others. There are some rings around the icons, but that's just a configuration thing. And what we like about this one is it has a full-size USB port, which you don't normally see in this size, in addition to mini USB, micro SD, and mini HDMI. So you can pop in your flash memory card, and you can pop in your flash memory stick, your USB stick, and you can copy files on and off, which you can't do on everything. So over here we have the 129 MaxTab C7, which is also currently on the market. And what this does is, this one is 7 inches. I'm trying to find the on. There it is. This one is 7 inches. It runs at 800 by 480 resolution, and it also has the 1.2 gigahertz Rock chip. Things look pretty sharp though because it's 7-inch. The back is quite glossy. On the side here you still have HDMI out, but no USB. And this has 4 gigabytes of internal memory and 1 gigabyte of RAM. Finally, over here you have another system that is called the MaxTab E7, and this will be 99 euros. It has the same Rockchip processor. This is not out yet, and it runs at 800 by 480 pixels and 1 gigabyte internal memory and 4 gigabyte storage. So pretty similar to the MaxTab C7, but a little less expensive. Nice white back over here, and not a lot in the way of ports, but really, great value for the price. So basically, you see that there are 5 Maxell tablets, 3 of which are coming to market this fall and 2 of which are already out. And all of them offer a unique look that's different than you'll find on every other tablet, and really an incredible value. These right now are only going to be available in the European market, not the US, but they are something that you'll want to keep an eye out for.